Welcome back to the channeling series. And today is Vasant Panchami. And today I'm channeling the energy of Ma Saraswati. So I was doing all my rituals and I was doing all my prayers, right? And a very stark message came through for all of you folks. Whoever lands on this video, do comment that, you are availing of this beautiful wisdom today, beautiful energy. So the message for today is that what is it, right? What is it that you truly, truly love about your problems? What is it that you really love about them? So, the wisdom is that the problems that are there has to be something that you really love about them because otherwise it wouldn't exist in your life. Right now, you need to really go deep into this message for you to actually be able to extract the value, the wisdom from it, right? Without getting offended or without looking at it like we are not really figuring out the issue, but we are blaming. No, this is actually the opposite. We spend so much time constantly blaming everything, right? Constantly blaming the world, constantly blaming our parents, our neighbors, everybody, right? However, when we take 100% responsibility, right, for all the issues or whatever it is, right? Whatever your problem is today, right? It could be a money issue, it could be a relationship issue, it could be a health issue, whatever. I am here to tell you there is something, there is an energy within you that probably, subconsciously likes it. And that is why the problem is coming again and again and again. For example, now what's coming up to me is a lot of people, when they are going through, say, money issues, they feel like a victim, right? They're struggling. So what happens is during the struggle, they end up asking other folks for help, right? And what happens is that when you're asking for help, subconsciously, you feel that you're connected with your family, you are connected with friends, and also you feel like somewhere you can play that victim role, meaning like, I am suffering, I don't have money, I don't know what to do constantly, why did God do this to me? Why am I the one who's constantly struggling? And in the process, you get people's appreciation. Well, not appreciation, but like support, right? Help. People give you advice, right? People tell you that, you can do this, you can do that. So basically, you build this camaraderie, which literally is toxic, but somewhere you feel like you belong to the suffering, to the world of suffering. And in the process, all your family, your relatives, they come close to you, they try to help you, all of that, right? This is, again, folks, this is a subconscious programming going on, right? Again, when you are constantly struggling around, say, success, right? And you're almost there, but you're never actually there, right? You always go to the end or like before the end and you kind of like break again. So you're constantly struggling. And so what do you love about it? Maybe what you love about it is that you are now able to tell your stories again and again and again. Your stories of struggle. And when you tell your stories of struggle, you feel like you have worked so hard. You have given your best, and you feel worthy when you tell your stories again and again and again and again and again. Now, if you were successful, right, how will you tell your stories of struggle? You see? Yeah. And this is so eerie because I feel like this resonated with me so much. Sometimes, like even in business or even say in relationships, right? You sometimes come to that level where you are not in a good relationship, say with a friend, with a relative, right? And you're constantly bickering, and you're complaining about it, right? So what do you love about it? You love about when you, for that one particular relative, if you keep bitching about them, basically what you love about the situation probably could be that you are better than them. And if you stop bitching about them, then how do you feel better than someone else? You see how we subconsciously keep getting stuck in these situations, in these problems, and we keep repeating them again and again because somewhere we feel like we are benefiting from it at a subconscious level, like I said, right? So you're feeling worthy, you're feeling better than someone, you feel like you have community support, you feel like you belong to somebody, to a group of people, right? If you were successful, then you probably will not stay with this family anymore, or in this group anymore, and you'll probably move, right? And so in order to not move, you continue to suffer. So again, like I said, it's not conscious, so I cannot really say whatever your issue is, you're doing it because of that. That's where when we do one-on-one work, we kind of go deep into understanding where the subconscious blocks are coming from. But the message for you today is that whatever issue and problem that you're going through, there's definitely some sort of subconscious benefit that's coming to you. All right. And that's the reason why you're there. Because if there wasn't, right, you would choose something else, right? And you would move to something else. And you would not keep bringing this problem again and again and again, right? So explore that. Ma Saraswati's energy is asking you, she's blessing you with this wisdom, right? So go deeper into understanding what it is. Take 100% responsibility for whatever issue that is in your life. And you will, and the moment, and the magic here is, folks, that the moment you accept it, the moment you understand and go deeper and get to that wisdom, you actually bring solutions in your life, right? And you'll find probably a healthier way to connect with your community rather than the poverty consciousness, right? You'll find better, healthier ways to connect, right? And that's what the beauty of this, healing work is. And for you to bring that awareness into your daily life, for you to actually be able to bring about beautiful changes, right? So that's all for today, folks. I will see you all tomorrow. Till then, signing off, Anisha, that from Zaria